Hello everyone, my name is Bill, and today we'll be solving the fourth question of the Caribou Summer Coding Contest Junior Contest. It is called Groceries. Statement: one day, you decide to go buy some groceries. You write up a list of n items sorted from most to least important. You won't buy an item listed lower on the list before an item listed higher on the list, and you won't have it any other way. The item costs $M. However, at the store, you discover to your dismay that you forgot your credit card and have to rely on the K dollars you have in your wallet. You're nevertheless determined to buy as many items as possible, subject to the rule mentioned above. How many items are you buying? Input. The first line of input consists of two space-separated integers, n and k. Of the next n lines of input, the ith line consists of an integer denoting the price of the ith most important item. Output. Output the number of items you buy as a single integer. Now that we know the question, let's solve it in Python. So first, n and m is going to be the amount of items in the list and the amount of money we have respectively. And then s and t are both going to be 0. S is going to be the money we spent so far, and t is going to be the number of items we can buy. So now we're going to use a loop. A is going to be how much each item costs. And then if S, which is the amount of money we've spent so far, plus A, which is the amount of money the current item costs, is smaller than or equal to M, which is the total amount of money we have, then S will add A to itself because we're going to buy the item, and T is going to add 1 to itself to count that item. If we don't have enough money, then we just write else break, which just breaks from the loop and exits it. And then we print T. So now let's run it. We will put in the test case, and then it gave us 4, which is correct. This is all for today. See you next time.